How to fix Spotify randomly skipping songs. So before anything, check your internet connection, of course. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test your connection. And you can also try offline mode since playing songs this way can do it properly. And if it does, the issue is likely your connection. And try clearing your cache and data as well for your Spotify. You can do this in your settings and just go ahead and search for apps. This way it could clear up some messed up or glitched up files, of course. So go ahead into your apps and either scroll down manually for your Spotify, or you can search for it as so. Then in the bottom right, just go ahead and press on the clear data and then go ahead and clear your cache. You can also go ahead and try disabling your crossfade or gapless playback, since audio transition effects sometimes cause glitches. So in the top left corner, just go ahead into your settings and privacy and press on the playback option and make sure the crossfade is at 0. You don't want this on if this could be the reason why your Spotify is randomly skipping songs. If not, you can try logging out of all devices, since Spotify might conflict between multiple logged in devices. You can also check for account or app conflicts, since someone else might be using your accounts and songs can skip randomly or by them. So change your password and log out everywhere. Also check that no third-party equalizer or booster apps are interfering with Spotify playback. Those are pretty much the options you can try to potentially fix this skipping song problem. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.